this also, you have to keep extra time, you have to get extra time like 15 days or half an hour in a day. So that time you can use the application. There are many applications for practice of speaking English. So do one thing, you have to keep your time at least 15 to half an hour. So there is no another way. Whenever you have a lunch time or your dinner time, after that just keep your mind, you must give, you have to give 15 minutes to half an hour to your practice. So it's kind of speaking practice and reading practice. Let's talk about the writing. So when it comes to writing is, I can say, too boring. Everyone says, everyone feels like writing is too boring. How to write? What will I write? So you can write in English your daily schedule, what you did today. What you did today and what is your plan for tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? Suppose you have a day off tomorrow. So what will you do? How will you write? For an example, I will get up 8 o'clock tomorrow because tomorrow is a day off. Then I will get fresh. Or suppose I will wake up tomorrow 9 o'clock in the morning. After that I will get fresh and I will do my breakfast. After that my children also have a day off tomorrow. So I will get them nearby mall. I will take my family to nearby mall. I will go there, I will enjoy, and there are many entertainment zone or entertainment things. There are entertainment zone for my children. So I will play with them, I will enjoy with them. After that I will watch movie. I will have dinner. I will have lunch there in the mall. So in a lunch I will get, or I will have suppose whatever you want to have. Okay, after that I will watch movie. Then I will go to nearby garden and spend some time with my family over there. And then I will return. Then I will discuss about their school, how is their school going on. I will meet my neighbor. I will discuss how is life, how is their life, how is going on in their life, like this. So after that, whatever your like task or whatever you have to do, or whatever you want to do, so just write on a paper, write on a book. Just keep a single 100 pages book or 200 pages book with you, and just write whatever you want to write whenever you have a time. So it is kind of writing practice. So mostly what I do, I every day I am also I do these three tasks. Like as I told you, the watching movies with my family, and I read a subtitle. I speak with the applications, and I write my daily schedule. So these three tasks I do every day. And when it comes to speaking, we talked about speaking, reading and writing. And fourth task is listening. So listening, what I told you, that whenever you have a time, whenever you want to watch whenever you want to scroll your mobile for watching the entertainment videos, so just make a habit to watch short English entertainment videos, short conversation videos. If you have a time, so 7 minutes, 8 minutes conversation videos. And this is also, and there are many English videos available, short videos available on. Suppose you scroll up every day, so automatically those videos come to you and you can watch those videos. So this kind of I can say that you can create an environment, and you can also surround it. You will be surrounded automatically in the English environment. So with this you can do a practice in your busy schedule. So what I do, and automatically after 15 days, after 20 days, or after 1 month, automatically you will be habitual with this thing, and with this thing you can do practice. No need to go here and there, and automatically you can do practice. And this main important thing while doing this, if you have a time on Sunday, so if you can also get a mentor, I can say you can also join a class, or you can also get online teacher who will guide you. So it will be a very good, it will be a very good, because somewhere if you do mistakes, so you can learn very quickly. Suppose you have to spend one year, so within a 6 month you can I can say you can be a fluent, or you can be a good at English. So it is also these kind of tasks I do. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep watching my videos. I will bring some other tips, and I will give you, I will also going to make a conversation videos for you for learning English, beginner or intermediate. And keep watching my videos. Thank you.